Hello mga Jai, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cook ginisang pork giniling. So first is to put oil on the pan. Make sure na painitin muna yung mantika before adding the onion. So wag niyo akong tularan. So just wait until the onion becomes see-through. Once the onion is cooked, I then add the garlic. So, pag nag-add na ako ng garlic, I make sure na binabantayan ko ito dahil madali siyang masunog. And then, after bumango na, I then add my tomatoes. Pag satisfied na kayo sa pagkaluto ng tomatoes, you can then add your meat. For me, I'm adding pork giniling. I'm now adding seasoning and fish sauce para mas ma-enhance yung flavor ng meat. If you have black pepper, you can add that as well. Mix it well and then add the carrots and potatoes and let it simmer for up to 30 minutes or until the vegetables and meat is cooked. Easy, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe.